This is called a leaner. And I love a challenge. Oh, we can see here, up there, it basically broke in half. Let's try this and see what happens. This is not a how to do it video. This is a what we're doing video, okay? Don't try this at home. Nice. Look at that hole.
Yeah.
Wow, look how far that was in. So there's no way we just could have cut that. That was great. By the way, notice eye protection, ear protection, head protection. Smart. I think we're just going to cut the wedge again, pull it again, and then eventually the idea is that it may just fall, or we're just going to get peak amputating the bottom of it. Okay, this is the second cut. Oops.
I was whistling, trying to...
I can't hear anything. So my friends were going, it's going, and it went. But it's just slow and steady. This is, I think, my two friends who know more than I do might disagree, but eventually we're just going to keep cutting this thing and cutting this thing. It's going to come loose from the, what's the top of the tree called?
Canopy.
The upper story. And then it's just going to drop clean. That'll be a beautiful thing. So I've been outvoted. We're going to try and pull it from the top. Oh, nice. That was brilliant. I've been usurped here. I don't know if that's a big word. So instead of chainsawing, we're going to rope and crank. Very exciting. This is a great tool. It pinches the rope, so it's not like one of those cable ones where it's all bunged up. I'll link to this in the show notes below. But so be safe. Don't do what I do. Just watch for entertainment. You want to spend more time together? Video floating right there. You and me. I was right. I said it would fall this way. And they were like, oh no, it's gonna go this way, Eric.